Amazon Prime for free 30 days. You need link in bio. Looking for the best Amazon kitchen gadgets to make daily cooking easier for seniors? In this video, we feature 24 senior-friendly kitchen tools with prices included to help with arthritis, weak hands, and independent living. Which of these 24 gadgets would help you or your parents the most? Let me know in the comments below. Cold press juicer. Amazon products you need if you're serious about healthy living, and this one's a game changer. This cold press juicer is like having 3 machines in one: juice, nut milk, even sorbet. If you're tired of loud juicers, endless chopping, and messy cleanup, yeah, same here. It's such a hassle you just stop using it. But this one, you drop in whole fruits, no prep. It runs super quiet and the juice yield is insane. Plus everything pops out and goes straight into the dishwasher. Digital air fryer toaster oven combo. Amazon products you need to finally reclaim your counter space and stop waiting forever for your massive oven to preheat. This digital air fryer toaster oven combo is a total game changer for busy weeknights. Are you tired of soggy leftovers or manual dials that make you guess the temperature, ending up with burnt toast and cold spots? It is the absolute worst. This 10-in-1 powerhouse uses 360-degree convection to cook 75% faster than traditional ovens. It fits a whole chicken, air fries with 90% less oil, and features a precise digital display for perfect results every time. 12-piece induction cookware. Amazon products you need to finally upgrade your kitchen without breaking the bank. This 12-piece induction cookware set is an absolute game changer for healthy cooking. Are you tired of food sticking to your old pans and worrying about those gross chemicals like PFAS or lead leaching into your family's meals? This set features a toxin-free granite coating that's super non-stick, making cleanup a total breeze. Plus it works on every stovetop, including induction, and comes with everything from fry pans to silicone utensils. Juicer machines. Amazon products you need to stop wasting your time and money on mediocre juice. This juicer machine setup is a total game changer for your health. Are you tired of spending 20 minutes chopping fruit just for one glass, or dealing with a loud, clunky machine that leaves half the juice in the pulp? It is the absolute worst. This beast has a massive 5.8-inch feed chute, so you can drop in whole apples. It uses cold press tech to keep all the nutrients and features dual strainers for a 99% juice yield. 3-speed electric food processor, meat grinder, vegetable chopper, and baby food maker. Amazon products you need to finally stop crying over onions and wasting your whole evening hand chopping meat for dinner. This 3-speed electric food processor, meat grinder, vegetable chopper, and baby food maker is a total game changer for your kitchen routine. Are you tired of cross-contaminating your food or having those weak motors burn out after just a few uses? This powerhouse comes with 2 massive 8-cup bowls. 1 stainless steel and 1 glass, so you can keep your meats and veggies completely separate. It features a long-lasting copper motor with 3 speeds for perfect texture, and even has a patented auto-stop safety design. Drinking water dispenser pump, automatic electric drinking water bottle pump. Amazon products help you finally no longer have to strain around carrying heavy 5-gallon water bottles just to get a glass of water. This automatic drinking water pump will be a breakthrough for your home or office. Are you tired of struggling with leaking hand pumps or trying to flip a huge water bottle upside down without spilling water all over the place? It's terrible. This smart pump has a unique weight-activated switch. Just place your cup on the base and it will automatically pour water. It charges using a USB port, works continuously for 20 days on a single charge, and fits almost any bottle size with no installation at all. Manual ceramic peppercorn grinder. Amazon products you need to finally stop guessing how much seasoning is left in your shaker or dealing with messy spills all over your floor. This manual ceramic peppercorn grinder is a total game changer for your dinner table. Are you tired of battery-powered grinders that die right when you're cooking, or cheap mills that give you zero control over the grind? This elegant ceramic mill features a clear acrylic panel, so you always know when to refill, and a simple twist key to switch from fine to coarse instantly. It's non-corrosive, works for salt or spices, and even has a clear base to measure the perfect amount every time. Bamboo cheese board set, charcuterie tray, and serving platter for hosting and entertaining. Amazon products you need to finally stop serving snacks on random mismatched plates and start hosting like a total pro. This bamboo cheese board set, charcuterie tray, and serving platter for hosting and entertaining is a total game changer for your next girls' night. Are you tired of your crackers rolling off the table and having zero space for the cheese knives? This premium bamboo board has a genius hidden slide-out drawer that stores all your serving utensils utensils, and even a wine opener. It features a deep outer groove to keep your fruits and nuts perfectly in place while looking incredibly aesthetic. 5-blade herb scissors set with heavy-duty kitchen shears. Amazon products you need to finally stop spending forever chopping herbs and struggling with dull knives that just bruise your basil. This 5-blade herb scissors set with heavy-duty kitchen shears is a total game changer for meal prep. Are you tired of your drawers being cluttered with tools that can't even cut through a green onion without making a mess? This set features 5 sharp blades that mince herbs in seconds, plus heavy-duty shears that tackle poultry and fish bones like butter. They're dishwasher safe, ergonomic for left or righties, and even include a built-in bottle opener. Electric wine opener and aerator set. Amazon products you need to finally stop struggling with broken corks and messy spills every time you want to relax with a glass of wine. This electric wine opener and aerator set is a total game changer for your home bar. Are you tired of fighting with manual corkscrews or waiting forever for your wine to breathe in a decanter? This one-touch tool removes corks in seconds and aerates your wine instantly to bring out the best flavor. It's USB-C rechargeable, opens 80 bottles on one charge, and looks incredibly sleek on any counter. Knife sharpener with adjustable angle guide. Amazon products you need to finally stop struggling with dull kitchen knives that can't even slice through a tomato. This knife sharpener with adjustable angle guide is a total game changer for your kitchen. Are you tired of using basic sharpeners that ruin your expensive blades because the angle is wrong? This 3-in-1 tool features a precision knob to adjust from 14 to 24 degrees, so it works for everything from delicate Asian blades to heavy-duty shears. It uses diamond and ceramic stones to sharpen and polish in less than 15 seconds. Stainless steel professional blender for smoothies. Amazon products you need to finally stop wasting money on store-bought nut milks filled with additives and sugar. This stainless steel professional blender for smoothies is a total game changer for your kitchen. Are you tired of blenders that struggle with frozen fruit or leave your homemade almond milk all chunky and gross? This 1,500 watt powerhouse features built-in heating, so you can make hot soy milk or creamy soups in one go. It even has a high temperature auto clean mode that dissolves grease at 158 degrees. Higher torque and one-touch electric jar opener. Easy remove. Amazon kitchen gadgets you'll wish you discovered sooner. If you struggle with tight jar lids, this one's a total lifesaver. This higher torque and one-touch electric jar opener. Easy remove does all the work for you. Just press one button and it automatically grips, twists, and opens your jar in seconds. No strength needed, no pain, no mess. Perfect for seniors, people with arthritis, or anyone tired of fighting stubborn jars. It fits almost any lid size and even auto shuts off when done. Trust me, this is a must-have kitchen hack. Cold press juicer. Amazon products you need if you're serious about healthy living. And this one's a game changer. This cold press juicer is like having 3 machines in one. Juice, nut milk, even sorbet. If you're tired of loud juicers, endless chopping, and messy cleanup, yeah, same here. It's such a hassle you just stop using it. But this one? You drop in whole fruits, no prep. It runs super quiet and the juice yield is insane. Plus, everything pops out and goes straight into the dishwasher. Cast iron juicer. Amazon products you need for your kitchen to stop wasting money. This cast iron juicer is a total game changer for anyone who loves fresh juice. Tired of struggling with those tiny handheld squeezers that leave half the juice behind and make a huge mess. It's so frustrating. This heavy-duty beast uses a professional leverage handle to squeeze every single drop from lemons, oranges, or even pomegranates in seconds. It's super sturdy, easy to clean, and looks amazing on your counter. Juicer machines. Amazon products you need to stop wasting your time and money on mediocre juice. This juicer machine setup is a total game changer for your health. Are you tired of spending 20 minutes chopping fruit just for one glass, or dealing with a loud, clunky machine that leaves half the juice in the pulp? This beast has a massive 5.8-inch feed chute, so you can drop in whole apples. It uses cold press tech to keep all the nutrients and features dual strainers for a 99% juice yield. Espresso machine with milk frother. Amazon products you need to stop wasting $7 a day at the coffee shop. This espresso machine with milk frother is a total game changer for your morning routine. Are you tired of drinking weak, burnt-tasting drip coffee at home or waiting in those massive drive-through lines every single morning? This machine features a professional 20-bar pressure system for that perfect golden crema and a powerful steam wand for velvety latte art. It preheats in just 30 seconds and even has a heated top to warm your cups. Titanium cutting boards, set of 3. Amazon products you need to stop using those moldy, bacteria-trapping wooden boards. This titanium cutting board set of 3 is a total game changer for a hygienic kitchen. Are you tired of deep knife grooves in your plastic boards that never get clean, or that weird smell that lingers on bamboo? This set features 3 sizes of solid titanium alloy that are non-porous, odor-resistant, and won't warp or shred. They're double-sided to separate raw and cooked foods and rinse clean in seconds or go straight in the dishwasher. Rotary cheese. Grater 5 Blade Cheese Shredder. Amazon products you need to finally stop cutting your fingers on those old school metal graters. This Rotary Cheese Grater 5 Blade Cheese Shredder is a total game changer for your taco nights. Are you tired of spending 20 minutes shredding a single block of cheese or struggling to slice potatoes thin enough for chips? This tool is 18 times faster than hand cutting and comes with 5 interchangeable blades for slicing, shredding, and julienne. It has a powerful suction base so it won't budge, and it's completely dishwasher safe. Electric Kettle. Amazon products you need if you actually care about your coffee and tea. This one is next level. This electric kettle gives you barista level control right at home. If your coffee tastes off or your tea gets bitter, it's probably your water temp and pouring messing it up. This lets you set the exact temperature, keeps it warm for hours, and the gooseneck spout gives you perfect, smooth control. Even has a built-in timer for your pour over. I dropped the link in the description. Don't wait. This one's a must-have for your setup. Anti-fatigue floor mat. Amazon products you need to finally stop your back and feet from throbbing after just 10 minutes of standing in the kitchen. This anti-fatigue floor mat is a total game changer for your home or office. Are you tired of that sharp pain in your knees while doing dishes or feeling completely drained after using your standing desk for an hour? This mat features a super thick, high-density memory foam core that literally melts the pressure off your joints. It's stain resistant and has a non-slip backing, so it stays perfectly in place while you work. Kitchen Cookware Set. Amazon products you need if your kitchen feels cluttered and cooking is a hassle. This one is a total upgrade. This kitchen cookware set is super versatile and honestly makes cooking way easier. If you're dealing with bulky pots, hard cleanup, or handles getting in the way, it gets annoying fast. This set has a removable handle so you can stack everything and save space. The non-stick coating means food slides right off, and it works on any stove. Cleanup is crazy easy too. Kitchen floor mats, so cushioned anti-fatigue. Amazon products you need to finally stop your legs from aching every time you try to cook a decent meal. This kitchen floor mat's cushioned anti-fatigue is a total game changer for your home. Are you tired of that throbbing pain in your feet and lower back after standing on a hard kitchen floor for just 20 minutes? This mat features a memory foam liner that provides incredible cushion support to take the pressure off your joints. It's completely waterproof and stain resistant, so you can just wipe away grease or sauce spills with one quick swipe. Smart Bluetooth wireless meat thermometer. Amazon products you need if you're tired of ruining expensive steaks. This one is a total game changer. This smart Bluetooth wireless meat thermometer lets you cook like a pro without guessing. If you've ever cut into meat too early, overcooked it, or kept checking the grill nonstop, yeah, been there. This gives you real-time temps from up to crazy distances, super precise sensors, and even alerts on your phone. Just set it and relax. Perfect results every time.